guys, thank you for tuning in for another healthy juice recipe. So here's all of what you will need to make this drink. First, I'm going to start out with cleaning our ingredients with apple cider vinegar and water. I prefer to do beets alone just because of the amount of dirt they hold. See what I mean? Now, let's clean the rest of our ingredients. Be sure to make sure that everything gets rinsed thoroughly. We wouldn't want any dirt particles in our juice. Now let's get into the amazing benefits of consuming beetroot juice. There are many benefits of consuming beetroot juice. Let's go down a list of some. Did you know that beetroot juice reduces blood pressure after a few hours of consumption? Well, now you do. Beetroot juice also has a positive effect on our cardiovascular system. It helps improve blood circulation. It decreases the risk of heart disease. And the studies have shown beetroot juice may provide a holistic means to prevent cancer and assist with undesired effects associated with chemotherapy. I know as we all get older, we probably fear losing our memory. Well, just to let you know, beetroot juice is a secret weapon against memory loss if consumed daily. One of the major benefits of drinking beetroot juice is that it detoxifies our liver. Traditionally, this drink is known to activate liver enzymes and increase bile, which helps the liver's detox function. The drink is also known to help with constipation and digestive problems. Here's another great benefit. This drink also helps in repairing and reactivating the red blood cells in the body, and it further increases the supply of oxygen to all parts of the body. It is also one of the best drinks to consume for anemia. And last but not least, it reduces cholesterol. This can help to lower the body's cholesterol level by promoting cholesterol excretion. Okay guys, so that's all I have for you in this video. If you are excited about these great benefits of consuming this drink, then that's great. But in order to see and feel any changes, you must follow a healthy diet. And I hope if you found this video helpful, make sure you use it to your benefit. And if you have a loved one who's simply in need, share this video with them. Don't keep it to yourselves. That's all I have, guys. Let's get healthy. See you in the next video.